Okay, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
I am good, thank you. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anika, I can't see you. Where are you?
I am here.
You're there.
Switched on your video then? Is Anika's video not working, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No, I can't see you. How is everyone else? How are you, Rasik and Rishit?
Good, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Say again. What did you say, Rishit?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. I like what you've done with your hair. What did you do to your hair?
मैम नहीं वो तो हेयर बैंड था ना इसलिए लगाया
Hair band है. अच्छा किया. You're looking neat and tidy like this. So do you know why I'm in your class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Who will tell me why I'm in your class today?
What, ma'am?
Why am I in your class today? कौन बताएगा? Anika, I still can't see you, bacha.
Ma'am, but I have on my video.
Okay. Myra is raising her hand.
Ma'am.
Myra, please tell us.
Because you are going to explain community helpers.
Community help.
Word.
Okay, very good. Very good. Sit, Myra. Anyone else? Rishit, Rasik, Anika. क्या कर रही हूँ आज मैं आपकी क्लास में? मैं आपके साथ खेलने आई हूँ क्या?
No, ma'am.
हाँ? We can play.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, you will.
Anika, yes. Anika, बोलो.
मैम अनिका ने अपना वीडियो पॉज कर रखा है इसलिए वो नहीं सुन
But she said something, right? Okay, we can see Anika now. Hi, Anika.
Hi, Anika. Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Yes, please. Tell me. जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से.
You will teach us about community helpers.
Kind of. Okay, community helpers. What do they do?
They help us.
सर एक्चुअली कल रात वाले भी थे ना इसीलिए मैंने आपको भेजी थी ओके
Yeah.
They help us.
They help us. Very good.
They help us.
How do they help us? अच्छा. तो जो community helpers काम करते हैं, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Have you heard of a term named as career? Career. Career पता है क्या होता है? What is career? Who knows? What is career? कभी सुना है? क्या क्या चीज है? Career क्या होता है? हाँ, बड़े लोग बोलते हैं ना, we'll make our career. तो career क्या है? कैसे बनाते हैं उसको?
Career. यार करके.
कैसे करके?
क्लियर करके जैसे बुलाते हैं. अच्छा काम करके. अच्छा काम करके. अच्छी काम करके और बुरे शैतानी नहीं करके.
Very good, Rishit. Big hand for Rishit, everyone. Clapping. Good job. Very nice. So, career क्या होता है? Whatever the profession that we choose. जैसे कि अगर आप community helpers की है. Can you hear me, everyone? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. So, जो भी हम profession choose करते हैं, for example, एक firefighter है, right? तो firefighter का career क्या हुआ?
हमें फायर से बचाना। जैसे मैम जैसे लड़ाई होती है। मैम
फायर फाइटिंग। टीचर का career क्या हुआ?
मैम फायर फाइटर होता है। मैम जो फायर फाइटर होता है
No. Listen. See. Ears open, mouth shut. This will be the rule right now. When I ask, then you answer. Okay? Because if everyone speaks together, then no one will be able to understand. Right? So thumbs up. And whenever you want to ask something, you raise your hand. Okay? Good kids, good class. Right. So, what is the career of a teacher? Teacher क्या करती है? Teacher, Anika?
Ma'am, teacher teaches us.
Very good. Just teaches. You have to give me only one word, and we'll do this quickly. कौन जल्दी जल्दी, ठीक है? Now everyone can answer and quickly. Okay? Policeman career. One word.
What, ma'am?
Policeman. What is the career of a policeman?
Policeman.
Fighting crime.
Very good. Police. He's in the police. That's his career.
Ma'am, police
Very
catches
good.
thieves.
Very good. But वो तो उसका job आप describe कर रहे हो. Career मतलब जो उनका profession है. That is what I'm trying to explain you. Job is different. Career is different. Okay? Two different things. Okay? Now you have a doctor. So doctor का profession क्या हुआ? What is his career? He treats patient. वो उसका profession हुआ. And his career is that he is a doctor. He or she is a doctor. Okay? Who am I?
Principal.
Teacher, you are a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Principal.
I am a principal. Teacher or principal? पहले sure हो जाओ.
Principal.
Principal.
Principal. Okay. Now tell me, ये principal करते क्या है स्कूल में?
Principal.
Yes, Rishit.
मैम प्रिंसिपल वो करते हैं जो
Yes, Myra.
Principal teaches teachers.
Principal teaches the teachers. Okay, very good, Myra. Clapping for Myra. What else? और क्या करते हैं प्रिंसिपल? और भी तो कुछ करते होंगे या खाली बैठे रहते हैं टेबल पे सबको देखते रहते हैं?
मैम प्रिंसिपल वर्क इन स्कूल.
Principal works in school. Very good. Yeah. Yes.
Principal manage school.
Sorry. Say again. I missed it.
Principal manage school.
Principal manage school.
Yes, ma'am. Please say.
Or in school. What did you say?
Ma'am. Principal manage school. Ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Yes.
When there is a problem,
One by
principal solve it.
Very good, Anika. Yes, Myra.
Principals learn about kids.
Okay, very good. जो भी आप सबने बोला, that is all good. Now, why am I speaking about principal today? Because I am a principal. I am talking to you about what principals do. What is my career? Okay? Okay? Clear, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
तो किसी के पास से ना बैकग्राउंड में मम्मा की बहुत आवाज आ रही है, मम्मा को बोलो अभी मैं क्लास अटेंड कर रहा हूँ. Tell mama that I'm attending class.
क्या बोलूं?
So speak less, okay? Right. So principals, what do they do? I'll tell you fatafat se and then we'll play a game. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good. The principals, they help in training the teachers. They overlook all of the students. They create your syllabus. They help in a segment of exam. Ma'am, who? किसी की मम्मा है पीछे? I can hear it. Rishit's mama, please talk in other room. बोल दो.
इसीलिए मैंने कहा ना कहीं भेजा ही नहीं है.
Oh, not Rishit. Anika, I guess. Anika, कोई है आपके पास? Yeah. Okay. Right. So अब किसी को बोलना होगा तो raise your hand. Fine. And then principals are also responsible for all the staff. तो जितना सारे आपके स्कूल में टीचर्स होते हैं, दीदीज होते हैं, पियोन्स होते हैं, what do they do? वो सब किसको रिपोर्ट करते हैं? They report to the principal. तो उन्होंने दिन में क्या काम किया? What all did they do? टीचर्स ने क्लास में क्या पढ़ाया? If the syllabus is on track or not? अगर आप लोगों का वो ध्यान नहीं रख रहे हैं, कौन देखता है ये सब? The principal. Okay? So principal, like a teacher or a doctor, is also a community helper. Okay? Very good. Now what we'll do, we'll unmute everyone and everyone, जिसका भी मैं name बोलूंगी, they'll tell me about one thing that a principal does. फटाफट से. Okay? One thing that a principal does. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Anika, go.
Okay, ma'am.
Anika.
Principals and teachers in training.
हाँ वो मैंने देखा.
Very good. That is good. Six.
इन्होंने हमें क्यों दिया?
Principal manage the school.
क्या करते हैं? They look after the students, right?
What, ma'am?
They look after the students. Students का ध्यान रखते हैं. Rishit, फटाफट से.
मैम प्रिंसिपल कैमरे से देखती है कि कौन बच्चे शैतानी क्या कर रहे हैं.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Nice. Myra, last. Yes.
Principal teaches the teacher. Principal learns about kids and then teaches the teachers.
Okay. Very good. Now, what is your principal ma'am's name? Do you know? किसी को पता है? Except Myra. Myra, बैठ जाओ. Okay, everyone knows. Very good. Yes, Rasik, you tell me.
Ruchika ma'am.
Very good. Now, I'll share my screen and we'll play a quick game on community helpers. Okay? Ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Tell me if you can see my screen or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, Swati ma'am, can you enable my screen sharing, please?
You can make ma'am the host.
Yeah.
Make host.
Done, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We do it
All
like
right.
that.
Okay. Can you also hear it?
What, ma'am?
क्या आपको इस गेम की साउंड आ रही है?
No. Oh,
हाँ? No.
ma'am.
Now. No. No, you can't hear it. Is it saying doctor or dentist or librarian or firefighter? आपको नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll repeat the question. So, who helps us extinguish fires? Doctor, dentist, librarian, or firefighter?
Firefighter. Oh, raise head करना है.
Who helps us? Now, raise your hand and then answer. Who helps us when you're sick? First option is milk carrier. Second is doctor. Third is librarian. Fourth is a police officer.
What, ma'am?
Who helps us when we are sick?
Ma'am, doctor.
Good.
Doctor.
Who puts out fires? A firefighter, a teacher, a dentist, or a doctor?
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Good job. Who keeps everyone safe?
Firefighter.
Who keeps everyone safe? A police officer, a mailman,
Who keeps
librarian,
everyone safe?
or a dentist?
Police.
Police.
Who said police?
Police.
Good job.
Police officer.
It is not.
Police. Police.
It is not police. It is police officer. Huh. We got only 2 stars. What did we do?
Police officer.
The 2 stars?
Do you want to play again?
Yes.
Do you want to play again?
Yes.
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 Okay. So
Yes.
we'll play the community helpers game again. Now what I'll do after this class is I'll share the link of this game and you all can play by yourselves too. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It's a nice game. You can go and play and you'll also learn because it has a lot of stories and lots of games. Fine?
Ma'am, what is its name?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
What's its name?
Just say again. I'll share.
Our
It is
helper.
community helpers game.
Community helpers game.
Our helpers. Our helpers. So today, what did you understand?
We can
Kaun
play
batayega?
again.
We can play again, but then we are running late on time, beta. You'll have to continue with your class also.
Okay, ma'am.
So one thing that you learned today, kaun batayega, and no repeating. Anika, yes, please. You have the biggest hand right now.
Ma'am,
Anika, tell me.
we learned
Yeah.
about helpers.
We
Who
learned about
help us
community helpers.
and what? Yes, community. And
Very
what
good.
they help us.
How do they help us?
How
and
they
what do
help
they do?
us.
Very good. Yes, Rishit, what did you learn today?
मैम मैंने लर्न किया आज करा क्या करना
अभी जो मैंने बताया उससे क्या समझ में आया?
उसमें समझ आया कि जैसे हम
Okay, you think we'll come back to you. Rasik, what did you learn today?
What, ma'am?
What did you learn today? क्या समझ में आया आज?
How helpers help us.
Very good. Mara, what did you learn today?
How community helpers help us and what is there and how they and a game.
Very good. Rishit, do you have something? Very good, Myra.
मैम पता मैम डॉक्टर का काम होता है
So we learned about community helpers basically. We learned about careers.
मैम
ना?
मैंने ये
Now-
कहा कि
Now
मैंने ये
listen.
किया कि डॉक्टर
We'll count on fingers. Rishit will count on fingers. We learned about community helpers, We learned about career. We learned about, what else did we learn about? What do community helpers do? Their profession. Okay, so community helpers, career and profession. 3 things.
career and promotion. मैम
Okay.
मैं आपको
अगर
मैं
इसको
ये
ऐसे कर दें तो what will we get? Wait. अभी I'm speaking. Now I have a task for you. क्या task है? फटाफट से सुनेंगे. Okay? Are you listening? Everyone,
Yes.
ears open, mouth closed. So task is, you have to think about what do you want to be when you grow up.
Okay, ma'am.
what मैम
Okay? What do you want to be when you grow up? आप क्या करियर करना चाहते हो? Okay? So you will think about 5 things जब आप career choose करोगे. Not right now, Anika.
I'm just asking.
Think about it. You'll record a video and you'll send us. What do you want to be when you grow up and why?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? That's your task. And ये task के videos सारे के सारे अच्छे से करेंगे because I'll review them myself. Alright?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके
सबको समझ में आ रहा है? आप कुछ बोल रहे थे, आप बोलो बस.
ma'am.
मैम मैं
Yes,
ये बोल रहा
Rishit.
था
Let Rishit finish.
थैंक यू मैम
बोलो.
ये डॉक्टर का क्या काम होता है फायर फाइटर का काम क्या होता है पुलिस का काम होता है पुलिस का क्या काम
So
होता
that is
है
called,
और डॉक्टर का
very
काम
good.
मैम
क्या
मैम
बोलते
जो आप
हैं? Their
गेम
profession and their career. Yes, बेटा.
मैम जो आप गेम सेंड करोगे उसमें हमें करेक्ट वाले को प्रेस करना होगा
Yes. So it will ask you question. You have to choose from the right picture.
मैम
Yeah, beta.
I can't download
You can't what?
I can't download that game because I didn't have storage.
No, it is not downloadable. It is just a website. So जो भी मैं link share करूँगी, you have to click on it and it will lead you to the game. Okay?
Ma'am.
Do you want to ask any questions?
Ma'am, can you give, ma'am?
Kids,
Yeah.
you want to ask any question?
Any questions, beta?
Just raise your
Are
hand.
you sure? So I am sending you the game now in the chat box.
Ma'am, Myra wants to ask something.
Yes, please, Myra.
Ma'am, where are you going
Yeah.
to share the game?
I've shared it already.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you will send on WhatsApp.
Now listen,
I'll
everyone.
send on WhatsApp also.
Ma'am, if
I'm more excited about the game than anything else.
have done the Ma'am, I have opened the link now.
You did? Not right now, after the class.